right? Can't pronounce your name. Bad position for safety. Are we gonna get hit from the rear? Oh! Alright, riding really fast.
Here we can see
Having a great time with our buddy.
an almost identical reaction of this bike is surprised by one of the turnings.
Okay, so surprised in the turn, possibly going too fast, a little bit wide. We followed because we target fixated. He went down, and so did we. So, YouTube, this is what we talk about here, okay? 'Cause I know they like to demonetize. I like to they age restrict all my videos now. So we were going a little too fast, going 70-something miles per hour. Pretty much stood it up. We could have kept going. We saw that. We're easy to go through there. But why did we do that? Why did we go wide? Target fixated, going too fast, panic. It can happen to the best of us, but here's the thing. It doesn't happen to those that are zoned in at knowing exactly what they're supposed to be doing.
Bro.
And then also those with training, because your training kicks in those panic modes. So we're able to maintain these curves, maintain these cornering stuff. Hey, his phone disappeared. He's using a RAM mount.
Why me, bro?
You guys know what I use. Just link in the description.
Oh my god.
See that corner was.
See, the cool thing is that they're both fine. Now imagine if both of them got injured. So now think, if one of them got injured, would you be able to rescue another rider? Would you? Okay, so let's go over this a little bit. See, Nightbot even says the Moto Rescue kits are available now.
Here we can see
So here, take a quick look at this. We're going through the mountains, having a great time. Sun's at our back. What factors are involved when it comes to crashing here? Maybe too fast in a corner. Typically, failure to negotiate corners are the reasons why people, or is the thing that causes people to crash most of the time. But why? So let's watch what happened again. One more time. So a little bit too wide. Now you notice how we're able to go around here if we just kept turning. Well, why did we not do that? I mean, it's kind of the road disappears, right? So crest of a hill got us spooked out a little bit, maybe. Okay, so there's one factor. So we're gonna go down here. We're trying to apply some brake pressure. Can't do it. We're gonna go wide, and then we're gonna go down this little embankment where there's another road. Okay, so we're gonna collapse, and we're gonna double check our buddy, which this is our buddy right here. So take a look at this. This is gonna be in the United States, and we are going 80-something miles per hour. So definitely over the speed that this area is meant for. It's probably going to be like 45, 55. I don't think it's going to be 65 or 60 plus, especially in the corners like this where they're blind. So we typically have, a problem with speed. Speed typically hurts people. How are we not paying attention to speed? Slow look, press, and roll is what you need to be doing in the corners, okay? So slow look, press, and roll. Now, why were we not doing slow look, press, and roll? Quite possibly, ego. Having some fun with our friends. So let's not do that. Let's make sure we ride our own ride. Before we hit the corner, we were going 70. We were about 60. Now we're starting to apply some brake pressure. We can't make it. Look at the crest of the hill. Remember, this is the view that this person has. It's scary, 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 scary. Now all of a sudden, I'm going to upright the bike. Why don't we just commit to it? It's because we're slowing down. Look, we're 50 now. We went in at 80, down 30 miles per hour. So what do you think's happening? When it comes to traction, comes to what you need, we have turning, acceleration, deceleration. Deceleration is going to be the braking that he's doing. So 30 miles per hour down below. So we're doing a lot of hard braking. Now, how many times have you, let's think about it. You're trying to do 3 things at once. Are you going to be good at all 3 things? Like really good? No. So if you're braking, you're not going to be good at turning. If you're braking, you're obviously not going to be good at acceleration. So if you're braking this hard, your turns are going to be a little bit harder. Actually, a lot harder, and I have a feeling that's what happened here. We applied the brakes, and we just started going straight. Going too fast, brakes, going straight. No buenos. Now he's going to go ahead and start that low side, but then he kept it up, and then he's going to go forward right here and then fall down. So this is why we have full gear, everybody. Make sure you have full gear. Now, they are very lucky they didn't hit those trees, but make sure you're not speeding. Make sure you're not speeding, and change that out. Okay, here we go. Side of the vehicle. Good job with the merging. That person looks like they're hauling ass. Is it gonna get right up on your booty? Brake lights means slowing down. Oh, why did he slow down, huh? Because they were making a decision not to run your ass over or your friend's ass over. So So when somebody slams the brakes, you might think, in this video at least, like, oh, they slammed the brakes. What the hell, asshole rider? No, they stopped because something happened. So when you see somebody slam the brakes in like an uncommon area to apply brake pressure, like on the interstate, there's more than likely something in front of them that's causing them to slow down. So don't get mad, and then also don't be swerving around and be like, hey, what the hell are you doing? And then you crash into that one object that they were braking for. So, did good.
You're good, man. You're good.
Did good. Yeah, smack it.
There's something hurt? You're good.
Look at the gear.
You're good, yeah?
Look at the gear. This is what full gear does. Look at that. It's got abs. Full gear. He's Batman. With a Monster Energy sponsor. Here we go. Go back a little bit. See what happens. Side of the vehicle. Now it's like, well, why is this person slowing down? What an ass. Why are they applying the brakes? Oh, I gotta slam my brakes. I'm gonna see what's going on with them. Oh, somebody's on the ground. So why do you think this happened? So we hit possibly right here. Like right there. Probably hit like right here. He's over there. The bike's way over here. I can't tell what happened. I didn't see anything. But what do you think? This is gonna be a quiz for the class. Write it in the comments what you think happened. There's no wrong answers. I'm just glad he had full gear. Full gear. Like full gear. There you go. Yeah. See, that's the only thing he's... You notice that's the only thing he dusted off? Anybody else notice that? He didn't dust off anything else. Just the butt. I'm just saying.
Hurt?
Just saying.
Good. You're good, yeah?
Alright, so Rich 675. Here we go, going through a turn. A little bit wide, but you know, we have the whole lanes. Sun in the eyes, boom! Right there. Can't see, what's going on? Oh, shite. Got a little close. They got a little close. Now, that's one of those environmental factors. Environmental factors will get you, and this is what we need to be paying attention to. So just take a look. Boom, we got hit in the side of the head with that light. We see that right here. These lanes are going to go ahead and disappear. We got a big sun coming from Motostars. So we're going to come around this corner, and you see the light shining right there. It's not good. It's not good. That's not what you want to do. So we're going to get even further.
Put the bike in a very difficult situation.
And there's that light in the eyes. You're going to have some massive issues when it comes to that. You don't want to be too close to the sun. Well, of course, you're going to burn, but you don't want to be staring at it. Okay? Don't stare at it. So when I have something like this, and I have the big sun glare, and it's shooting straight at me, what are some of the constants that you have on this road that you know will dictate where the road is going? You got this line. You got this line. You got that line. You got the curve. So if you have certain constants, like a line, look at, you can kind of see it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line. Look at where that line is. You can kind of see it. So look towards the line. Don't look at the light. So keep an eye on the line. Keep an eye on the line. Stay next to the line over here. Try your best to stay next to the line, and you at least know where you can go. So that's my big tip for those of you. Dustin, welcome to the crew. It's my big tip. That's what she said. We're going to barely navigate it. Good job rolling up the throttle, applying some progressive brake pressure in a turn to save yourself from having a crash. But I have a feeling that that right there is what got us. So I always tell you guys, watch out. Watch out for that sun. And you can see some stuff ahead of time. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. All right. Can't pronounce your name. Bad position for safety. Are we going to get hit from the rear? Oh! He got disintegrated. Let's watch that one more time. I'm going to get low because I was blocking it. Okay, so we're sitting here in traffic in a car. in Russia or something, because they always have dash cams. They catch meteors on camera all the time. We're going to be riding down this road, and there's probably our buddy, and there's our bike. Okay? And then there's us. Okay. And there's our headlight. So what kind of damage do you think is happening to our body if that was us? Think about that real quick. So if you see this, and you see this guy, how are you going to rescue him? Because you can still help him out when you're in your car, because you can keep your trauma kit in your car. Let's put it up on screen. How are you going to rescue this rider, everybody? We need to be able to rescue them. So after a moto crash, make sure you remain calm. Ensure your own safety. We're pretty good right now, but wear some PPE. If they're bleeding, stop any major bleeds, and you need to quickly assess the severity of this. It's not good. It doesn't look like he's going to have a good time. He might be scraping asphalt and dirt from his flesh. Okay. So Thomas, I'm Bat. That's his name, not mine. I think it's made up. And we're going to be traveling through here. We're lane filtering. That's a hazard with lane filtering. Moving on with this one, because you should know that by now if you're in California or Utah or Montana or Oregon or whatever. Mr. VROD, we talked about this a little bit. Good swerve, got yourself out of that situation. Mr. VROD actually made a comment on one of the videos that he was showcasing that I was doing, and he said he learned his lesson, and he's gonna do better. So these might be old. Anyways, so a swerve. Now where do we go? We don't have a good escape path on this, so we're gonna have to swerve and brake. Did a good job.
For the USB cable.
Oh,
and I just kind
high vis, so everyone can see us, but watch out for the road surface hazards.
Well, it's mostly
like wet
right now.
Pothole.
Water resistant at least.
Yep.
Light rain. What's coming down now is not going to damage it too much.
Okay.
Today's vlog, guys.
Hey, what are we talking about?
It's going to cover.
Yeah. Hard braking at the stop sign, right?
Performance exhaust.
No, hard braking. Yep. That's what we're going to talk about today. So don't slam the front brakes, or make sure you do some good progressive brake pressure with both brakes on these, and slow it down a little bit further back with engine braking. All right, that's going to be the new vlog that you're going to have.
I'm all right.
Street Rider Lee.
Rain.
You okay, dude?
I don't think that's the rider. Is that the rider? Can't tell what happened.
Well, at least you're good, man.
People are walking wounded, so we don't need to rescue anybody.
Yeah. All right, man. Be safe.
Didn't need any rescuing. Just be careful yourself. Thank you for stopping. Hey, whoa, did he have a Bell bullet? Look in the mirror. Is that a Bell bullet? No. All right, sky high. Here we go. Blind spot. Our lane is opening. Our lane's opening. Watch out for the person merging. Did a good job. All right. Right lane goes straight or turn right. Okay. That's usually okay. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and do that anyways. Good job seeing it ahead of time. Schmitsky, we're back. Going to a fire station.
I was wondering if you guys needed any help today.
I'm gonna go back to work. I'm just cringing. Nope. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.